Hello dear student. So in our last session, we had a discussion on some problems related on properties of union, intersection and complement of a set, right? So today I will discuss one of the important concepts, that is nothing but practical problems on union and intersection. So for your exam point of view, this concept is very important. So before that I will discuss two more problems related on the same property. Okay. So in that first one, so they already given, if U is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is the universal set, A is equal to 2, 3, 4, 8, B is equal to 1, 3, 4 and C is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, then verify. You already know that A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement, or A union B whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash. That is nothing but De Morgan's law. So first one. So in the same way second one, A intersection B whole dash is equal to A dash union B dash. So this is also De Morgan's law. So third one, A minus B is equal to A intersection B dash. So last one, A minus of B union C is equal to A minus B intersection A minus C. Okay. So let us discuss one by one. So first one. So solution. So in that first one, so consider LHS. So we have to verify that whether the given LHS is equal to RHS or not. Okay, they already given LHS. So LHS here, A union B whole dash. Then how to find A union B whole dash? You already know that before that we have to find A union B value, right? So consider. So here A union B here. So here A union B is equal to, so elements of set A. So elements of set A, so 2, 3, 4, 8. So union elements of set B, so 1, 3, 4. Then union of two set, so combining these two elements, which is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. So this is the value of A union B. But I want to find what? A union B whole complement. So A union B whole complement, which is equal to what? By using formula universal set minus A union B. So universal set minus what? A union B. They already given universal set. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minus A union B. We already find out, right? A union B value. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. Then A union B whole dash. A union B whole dash is equal to. So first you cancel the common elements. So 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Next 8, 8. So what are the values left in universal set? So 0, next 5, 6, 7, 9. So call it as equation number 1. So this is nothing but LHS value. So next we have to find RHS. So consider RHS. Consider RHS. So RHS, you already know that. So A dash intersection B dash. So RHS value A dash intersection B dash. So first we have to find A dash value as well as B dash value. So here A dash is equal to, what is the formula to find complement of a given set? A dash is equal to universal set minus A. They already given universal set. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, minus set A. They already given set A value, right? So 2, 3, 4, 8. Next, cancel the common elements. So 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 8, 8. Which is equal to what? So 0, 1, 5, 6, 7, 9. So this is the value of B dash. Sorry, this is the value of A dash. So in the same way, how to find B dash value? Again by using same formula, right? So universal set minus B. So universal set 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minus. So B value 1, 3, 4. So next 1, 1, 3, 3, 4, 4 get cancelled. So which is equal to, so 0, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So but we have to find the value of A dash intersection B dash. Therefore A dash intersection B dash is equal to, so A dash value ಏನಿದೆ? So 0, 1, 5, 6, 7, 9 intersection. So B dash, so 0, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So intersection is nothing but common elements between two sets. Is there any common element between these two sets? Of course. So 0, next 1 area illa, next 5, next 6, 7, 9. This is the value of A dash intersection B dash. So call it as equation number 2. So comparing equation 1 and 2. So 0, 5, 6, 7, 9. Again equation 2. 0, 7, 6, 0, 5, 6, 7, 9. So clearly we can say that, from 1 and 2. So clearly we can say that from equation 1 and 2, clearly we can say that LHS is equal to RHS. Clear? This is nothing but De Morgan's law. Okay. So second problem, take it as homework. So same as last one. Again De Morgan's law. So you should verify whether the given LHS is equal to RHS or not. Okay. Second one same as first one. So A intersection B whole dash is equal to A dash union B dash. Okay. Take it as homework. So next one. So A minus B is equal to A intersection B dash. So we have to verify whether the given LHS is equal to RHS or not by using these values. Okay. So solution. So third one. So consider. So third one. So second one take it as homework. So third one A minus B. So consider LHS. A minus B. So here A minus B is equal to. So A minus B is nothing but what? So difference between two sets. They already given set A, right? So 2, 3, 4, 8 minus set B. So 1, 3, 4. Then difference between two set. So first you cancel the common elements. So 3, 3. Is there any common elements? It's 4, 4. Then remaining value 2, 8. This is the value of A minus B. Okay. So next we have to find RHS value. So RHS ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. So A intersection B dash. So consider RHS. A intersection B dash. So here first we have to find B dash value. So how to find B dash? You already know that universal set minus B. So first you write universal set So universal set 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minus, so set B value, so 1, 3, 4. So cancel the common elements. So 1, 1, so 3, 3, next 4, 4. Then remaining value, so 0, 2, next 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is the value of what? B dash. So what we have to find? A intersection B dash. So A value 2, 3, 4, 8, 2, 3, 4, 8 intersection. So B dash value, so 0, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So intersection is nothing but common elements between these two sets. So 2 common elements, right? Next 3 idea illa, next 4 idea illa, next 8. So 2 comma 8. This is the value of A intersection B. So LHS, call it as equation number 1. So RHS equation number 2. So comparing equation 1 and 2. So look here, RHS 2 comma 8. So here LHS 2 comma 8, RHS 2 comma 8. Therefore from equation 1 and 2, so clearly we can say that LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, write first. Okay, next one. Okay, next problem. So next one, again take it as homework. Next one, take it as homework. So fourth one, A minus of B union C is equal to A minus B intersection A minus C. So here you consider first LHS. So LHS A minus of B union C. So first you find B union C, next difference between two sets, call it as equation number 1. So RHS first you find A minus B value, next A minus C value, next intersection between two sets, so call it as equation number 2. So comparing equation 1 and 2, so you can get the answer. Okay, next one, fourth one. So let ABC be a sets such that A union B is equal to A union C and A intersection B is equal to A intersection C. Show that B is equal to C. So we have to show that B is equal to C by using these two conditions. They already given. A union B is equal to what? A union C. A intersection B is equal to what? A intersection C. So by using these two conditions, so we have to show that B is equal to C. Okay, solution given. So they already given A union B is equal to A union C and A intersection B is equal to A intersection C. So by using these two conditions, so we have to show that B is equal to C. Okay, so consider A union B is equal to A union C. They already given A union B is equal to A union C. So consider A union B is equal to A union C. So intersection C on both sides. So intersection C on both sides. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ನ ಎರಡು ಸೈಡು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಸಿ ನ. ಸೊ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಆನ್ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಸೊ ಎ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಸಿ intersection C. So by using distributive law, this can be written as, so nodi, A intersection C. By using distributive law, A intersection C union A B intersection C. Nodi, union B intersection C. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? A intersection C union B intersection C. So by using what? Distributive law, which is equal to, so here A union C, right? In bracket you write, so C is a proper subset of A union C. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಟು ಸೆಟ್ ಸಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸೆಟ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1, 2 and set B is equal to 2. Okay, then A union C ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ? A union C is equal to 1, 2, that's it, right? A union C, sorry, here take one more value, C is equal to 2, 3. C is equal to 2, 3. So A union C, so 1, 2, 3. So clearly we can say that A is a proper subset of A union C. ನೋಡಿ, 1, 2 ಇದೆ A ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಬಟ್ A union C ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1, 2, 3 ಇದೆ. So one element more compared to set A. Clearly we can say that A is a proper subset of A union C. So ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದು. ಸಾರಿ, C is a proper subset of ನೋಡಿ, C ನ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ C is a proper subset of A union C. C ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ? 2, 3 ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ A union C ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ? 1, 2, 3 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ C ಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ A union C ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ C is a proper subset of A union C. So in place of A union C, so we can write C intersection C. So C intersection C, which is equal to C, because A union C. So ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. A union C ಏನು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ? ಸೊ 1 A union C intersection C ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, which is equal to A union C ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1, 2, 3 intersection C ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಿದೆ? 2, 3. ಸೊ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? 2, 3. ಸೊ 2, 3 is nothing but what? C. So which is equal to what? C intersection C, which is equal to C. Therefore A intersection, so by using this condition, A intersection C is equal to what? A intersection B union B intersection C, because A intersection B, which is equal to A intersection C. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು C intersection C ಅಂತ ಏನು ಬರೆಯೋದು ಬೇಡ, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? A union C intersection C, again we get C, because so C is a proper subset of A union C. So call it as equation number 1. So next, again consider A union B, which is equal to A union C. Again intersection B on both sides. So A union B intersection B, which is equal to A union C intersection B. So again here A union B. So B is a proper subset of what? B is a proper subset of A union B. So A union B value ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? B ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So B intersection B, again we get B itself. So ನೋಡಿ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ C is a proper subset of A union C. So C intersection C, which is equal to C itself. So in a same way, B is a proper subset of A union B. So B intersection B, which is equal to what? B. So again here, by using distributive law, A union A intersection B union A intersection B union C intersection B. C intersection B. So which is equal to B is equal to, so A intersection B union, so C intersection B also can be written as B intersection C. So both are same. So call it as equation number 2. So comparing equation 1 and 2. So comparing equation 1 and 2, look here. A intersection B union B intersection C. A intersection B union B intersection B. B intersection C. So clearly we can say that, so one values ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ equal ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ನೋಡಿ. A intersection B union B intersection C. A intersection B union B intersection C, then corresponding values are equal. So comparing equation 1 and 2, so clearly we can say that C is equal to B, or therefore B is equal to C. So adna alva prove madbekagirodu, B is equal to C. So comparing equation 1 and 2, so clearly we can say that B is equal to C. Okay, right first. So here you write distributive law. Here you also write distributive law. So distributive. Okay. Next one. So draw the Venn diagram for. So you already know that how to draw the Venn diagram, right? So draw the Venn diagram for. So first one. So draw the Venn diagram for A union B whole dash. So अगर A union B whole dash के Venn diagram ना है draw ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ already ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮಗೆ. So first you write the, so first one A union B whole dash. So Venn diagram ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಾ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ you have to write universal set. Universal set, right, within the rectangle. Universal set. Next, set A, set B, union. So set A, set B. So A, B. This total is A union B. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, draw the Venn diagram for A union B whole dash. That means universal set minus A union B except A union B. So except A union B ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನ ನೀವು ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ A union B. This is nothing but, this area is nothing but A union B whole dash or A union B whole complement, because except A union B ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಏನಂತ ಬರೆಯುವುದು, ಯೂಶ್ವಲಿ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ A union B. ಅಂದರೆ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು A union B ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ನೋಡಿ. ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ A union B portion, this is nothing but, this region is nothing but A union B whole dash. Okay, second one. So second one A intersection B whole dash. Then how to draw the Venn diagram for A intersection B whole dash. So first you write universal set, right? So next set A, set B. So set A, set B, universal set. You already know that A intersection B. So this area we call it as A intersection B. But here A intersection B whole dash, whole complement. That means except A intersection B, then shade the remaining part. Then shade the remaining part except A intersection B. shade the remaining part. Clear? So Venn diagram is very very easy. Okay, this region we call it as A intersection B whole dash, except A intersection B. Okay, okay, write first. So next one, so next concept, so next concept, so look here, next one. So practical problems on union and intersection of a set. So this is very very important for your exam point of view. So practical problems on union and intersection. So first you draw this diagram. Okay, so here in this diagram you can see universal set, right? Next set A, next set B, set A, set B. This is nothing but A minus B, this area, except intersection A minus B, this area B minus A. So this part A intersection B. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So A minus B, B minus A intersection B, set A, set B. So by using this diagram we can write A minus B. Then how to write A minus B? So A minus B na ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ನೋಡಿ. A minus B is nothing but A minus, ಸೊ ನನಗೆ A ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಎ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ A ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸೆಟ್ ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಎ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ A ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆಸ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಸೆಟ್ ಎ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನ ನಾನು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, A minus B. That means difference between two sets, the elements which belongs to set A but does not belongs to what, set B. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, A intersection B ಇಂದ ನಾನು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಎಲ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಸ್, ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಾ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಆರ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಸ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಾ. ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆದರೆ ಏನು ಬರಿಬೋದು, ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ A intersection B. That means so A ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು A intersection part ನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, A minus B. Again this can be written as number of elements of A minus B which is equal to n of A minus B is equal to n of A minus n of A intersection B. Number of elements of A minus B is equal to number of elements of A minus number of elements of A intersection B. So in a same way B minus A can be written as same as first one. So B minus A can be written as, so B minus A. So B ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅಗೈನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ A intersection B. This can be written as, so n of A, n of B minus A which is equal to n of B minus n of A intersection B. But I want to find n of A union B value. Then how to write n of A union B? So by using this diagram, so ನನಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು, n of A union B. So ಇದು ಟೋಟಲ್ನ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, A union B ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್, this total area A union B, but I want to find so n of A union B. So observe the diagram. If I want to get, so ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, so A union B ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ so we should add, so n of A minus B, n of A intersection B, next n of B minus A. So which is equal to n of A minus B is nothing but what, by using this condition n of A minus B is nothing but, so n of A minus n of A intersection B. Substitute ಮಾಡಿ values ಅಷ್ಟೇ. So write n of A intersection B as it is plus n of B minus A. So n of B minus A can be written as, so n of B minus n of A intersection B, which is equal to what? N of A union B. So here minus plus get cancel. So what we left here? N of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B is always equal to n of A union B. So this formula is very very important. This formula is very very important. So n of A union B is always equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Again n of A intersection B value ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? So minus n of A intersection B, take it into LHS. So n of A intersection B, which is equal to n of A plus n of B. So plus n of A union B, take it into RHS. So minus n of A union B. This is also formula to find n of A intersection B. So n of A union B, n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. N of A intersection B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A union B. Okay. Next, write first. Write first. Okay. So next one. Next, write the formula. So what I have did, same formula, n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B, n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection C. So look here, n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B. So n of C ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು, ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ n of C ಅನ್ನೋ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್ n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So next one, if A, B, C are finite set, this formula is also very very important. If in case three finite sets, so n of A union B union C is equal to n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of A intersection B, B intersection C minus A intersection A plus n of A intersection B intersection C. ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿ ನೋಡಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಸೊ ಏನಿದೆ, 3 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, A B C. ಸೊ ಯೂನಿಯನ್, ಸೊ n of A union B union C, which is equal to n of A. First you write A plus next n of B plus n of C. So next minus n of A intersection B, A intersection B minus n of B intersection C minus n of A intersection C or C intersection A plus n of, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್, n of A intersection B intersection C. This formula is also very very important. Okay, 3 finite set idre formula. So next one, if A and B are 2 finite set, so n of A triangle B, that means difference, A difference of B. So ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ರೀಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, A difference of B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus 2 into n A intersection B. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ n of A difference B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus 2 into n A intersection B. So these formulas are very very important. ಸೊ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ, ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. So in that first one, So if x and y are two sets such that x has 50 elements, x union y has 70 elements, x intersection y has 15 elements, then find the elements of y by using last formula. So solution they already given. So x and y are two set, x has 15 elements, that means they already given number of elements in the given set x, that means n of x. So n of x they already given 50 elements. So next x union y, so number of elements in x union y they already given what, 70, right? So n of x union y which is equal to 70 again. So n of x intersection y which is equal to 50, but we have to find number of elements in the set y, that means n of y is equal to question mark. So we have to find the value of n of y. So we know that formula, so n of a union b is equal to what? So n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b. So in place of set a they already given x, in place of set b they given y. So n of x union y, so n of x union y, so n of x plus n of y minus n of x intersection y, right? So n of x union y they already given 70, so which is equal to n of x value 50. So n of y, so we have to find n of y value, so write n of y as it is minus n of x intersection y 15, right? So which is equal to 50 minus 15, 50 minus 15 35 plus n of y which is equal to 70, but I want to find n of y value. So n of y is equal to, so plus 35 take it into LHS, so 70 minus 35, so 70 minus 35 35, this is the value of what, n of y, this is the value of n of y. So 3 marks problem. So n of y is equal to 35. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, n of a union b is equal to n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b. So answer 35. Okay, next one. So same as last one, so take it as homework. So same as last one. So x and y are two set such that, so here directly they given n of x is equal to 17, n of y is equal to 23, n of x union y is equal to 38. Find n of x intersection y. You already know that n of x intersection y formula are n of a intersection b is equal to what, n of a plus n of b minus n of a union b. Here n of x intersection y can be written as n of x plus n of y minus n of x intersection, sorry, x union y. So direct agi substitute ಮಾಡಿ, n of x ಏನಿದೆ, so 17 plus n of y, so 23 minus 38, so which is equal to 40 minus 38, so 2. This is the value of n of x intersection y. So first you write here given, so given ನೀವೇ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. So ನೋಡಿ n of x intersection y 2, answer 2. Okay, next one. So in a group of 70 people, 37 like coffee, 52 like tea, and each person like at least one of the two drinks. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, 70 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಟೀನ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರು ಕಾಫಿನ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ, ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಟೂ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ದೆನ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಬೋತ್ ಕಾಫಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೀ. ಸೊ ಬೋತ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಬೋತ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ intersection. How many people? So how many people like both coffee and tea is nothing but, so we have to find n of C intersection T. C andre coffee, T andre tea. Okay, so given, so solution, so given in a group of 70 people, so irode 70 people, so in a group of 70 people, so 37 like coffee, that means n of C. N of C is nothing but number of people who like coffee. So yesterday 37. So next number of people who like tea. So n of T, which is equal to what? 52. But we have to find n of number of people who like coffee as well as tea. ಸೊ ಬೋತ್ ಕಾಫಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೀ ಎರಡೂ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡೋರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್. ಸೊ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ದಟ್ ಇನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದೇ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ 70 ಪೀಪಲ್, ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಟಿ, ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದೆನ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಒನ್ ಟಿ, ಐದರ್ ಕಾಫಿ ಆರ್ ಟಿ. ಸೊ ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಟಿ ದೇ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗಿವನ್ 70. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಇರೋದೆ 70 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ n of C intersection T. So by using formula n of, we know that, so n of C intersection T can be written as, so n of C plus n of T minus. So ನೋಡಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ತುಂಬ ಈಸಿ. ಇಫ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ we have to find the value of C intersection T. So how many people like both coffee and tea? So both is nothing but intersection. So n of C intersection T is equal to n of C plus n of T minus n of C union T. Because ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ, intersection ಇದೆ. So intersection ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. So which is equal to n of C. n of C ಏನಿದೆ, 37 plus 52 minus 70, which is equal to, so 9, 5 plus 3, 8, 89. 89 minus 70, 89 minus 70, 19. The people who like both coffee and tea, which is equal to 19. Okay. So answer 19. So both is nothing but intersection. So next one, take it as homework. Same as last one. So in a group of 80 people, 42 like coffee, 60 like tea, and each person like at least one of the two drinks. Then how many people like both coffee and tea? Again intersection. So C intersection T. So nodi answer nodi. So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 22 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ. So these are some problems related on practical problems on union and intersection. So 3 formulas are very important. Okay. So next remaining problem I will discuss on next class. Thank you.